In this video, I'll be painting this cucumber. I'll be doing this on one layer using very simple shading techniques. Once again, working from a reference, I sketch with an ink brush the basic shape, being sure to include the yellow flower, which sadly most of us never really see. Cucumbers are in fact a type of berry. They grow from the base of a flower, like all fruits do. The reason we call cucumbers a vegetable and not a fruit is due to the very low sugar content. I'm adding these bumps using a darker green so they really stand out. Once I'm happy with the general shape, I alpha lock the layer. Remember, I am only working with one single layer here. I isolate the green section using the isolation tool and begin shading with a soft brush using variations of light and dark green. If you're still watching by this point, please consider liking the video or even commenting below. This will help me to know which content you guys enjoy. If you're a little lost with some of the things I'm doing here, I have made some introductory videos on features such as colour picking and Procreate's paint bucket tool, which is called Colour Drop. When painting very simple objects like this, it's important to add gradients. This will make them look less flat and more appealing. Don't be frightened to explore new ways to make your paintings interesting. There are many excellent brushes in Procreate. Try them all and learn to bring out your own unique style. This is where we find the pleasure and beauty of art. You may see me going back in here and using the Signet brush to add some texture to the skin. I felt that worked really well with the beetroot video I made yesterday. I'm finishing off by adding a backlight with this light blue using a soft brush. I hope you found this useful. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I really enjoy connecting with you guys. Take care.